Hi, I'm Kurosh Angali with Angali.com. I'm going to give you some basic instruction about how to prepare a canvas board and what do we mean by canvas board versus a regular canvas. Canvas board refers to a panel covered with canvas instead of using a stretcher for the canvas. What we need to do basically is to make some sort of glue. Traditionally, the best choice would have been rabbit skin glue. You have to soak it in water overnight. The proportion would be 1 part rabbit skin glue, 15 parts water. Leave it overnight. In the morning, you have to heat it up. But you have to watch that it doesn't boil, because as soon as it boils, it would lose its properties. When it's ready, you would cover your board with the glue. You would lay your canvas, which you already have cut, to the size. Normally, you would leave about 1 inch on each side. You would cover the panel with the glue. You lay your canvas on top of it. Leave 1 inch on each side of the canvas, the panel, and then smooth it out with the palm of your hand. When it's completely smoothed out, you can always move it around. The canvas would hardly ever move. You have to watch for it anyway. After it's covered on the other side, you need to add some more glue on this side and overlap the canvas on 4 sides and leave it until it's dried. When it's completely dried, you use the same rabbit skin glue that you have stored in a jar, and with the palm of your hand you would cover the entire canvas, which now is in this shape, with the rabbit skin glue, and then you can always scrape off some of the excess of the glue with a palette knife until it's completely smooth. When the glue is dried, then you can add your gesso on top of it. Normally, you would need at least 2 or 3 coats of gesso applied in right angle. That means if you apply the first layer vertically, the second layer should be horizontally, and so forth. In many instances, I prefer even 4 coatings. It depends on how smooth I want the surface to be. You have to make sure that the gesso is not thick. So you need to thin down the gesso 50-50 with water, preferably distilled water, which doesn't have any minerals or chemicals and so forth. After the gesso is bone dry, that means it's dry to the touch, you can use the panel.